Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In this video I am going to show you how to block adults' websites on phone. This decision, it could be firstly for parents who want to protect their children from these websites. And here are the steps. 1. Open your phone settings. 2. Search for private DNS. 3. Navigate to private DNS settings. 4. Change the settings from automatic in private DNS provider into set a provider hostname. 5. Type in the provided DNS address and I will show you right here in the screen. 6. Tap on Save to apply new DNS settings. 7. Open the Chrome browser or any browser on your phone and check if explicit websites are now blocked. 8. Confirm that explicit content is no longer accessible on your browser. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.